The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus is 5G enabled and it is IP68 rated, that makes it water resistant. It is available in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver and Phantom Violet colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking and is available in two memory variants to choose from, 128GB and 256GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display for an immersive viewing experience. With 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution, 394 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures faster touch response and smooth action. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The Galaxy S21 Plus comes with a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup with 30x space zoom. It also features a 10-megapixel front dual-pixel camera. The phone lets you record videos at 8K resolution. Powered by Android Pie version 10.0 operating system with 2.9 GHz Exynos 2100 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4800 mAh battery. The box includes handset, USB cable, user manual, eject pin. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.